What's up guys, it's the first day of Red Bull Hardline. We're at the top of the hill and we're just about to drop in for what is going to be an absolutely insane first run. Pretty gnarly, the sun's out, I've got the Insta360 on the chin mount. Let's go and have a look at the course.
No point telling it now anyway.
Sorry boys. Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah boys. Oh no! What is he doing? Oh fuck! Chill boy! Oh, so sketchy. Oh no, the road gap. God, that's big. Oh, shit. Oh my god! Woo! Holy shit! Yeah, boy! Woo!
That's so good!
That's sick! Fucking hell! It's so big!
Yeah, do that so yeah.
Oh no, the road gap! God, that's big!